In this world, whenever we are need to write something, then we always prefer is to use pencil. Have you ever wondered how pencil are made? In this video, I'm going to show you that how pencils are made. Before we start the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. Let's jump into the video. How pencil are made. For the pencil's body, you need a type of wood that's soft enough to sharpen, yet strong enough not to bend under the writer's hand pressure. Dull lead. It is made of a graphite and clay mixture baked in an oven at almost 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit. The LED laying machine's wheel loads itself with LEDs. Their spacing matching the grooves in the slats. Now it's time to shape a pencil. This shaping machine makes the hexagonal profile in 2 steps. First, its upper cutter forms 3 sides on top. Then its lower cutter shapes 3 sides on the bottom. As soon as the bottom side is cut, the pencils separate. Now it's time to dress that burr wood. The pencil shoot through a device called a lacquering head. It coats the wood and paint it. And the last step is the rubber tip assembly machine. First, it squeezes the top of the pencil to slide on an aluminum ferrule, then it inserts a rubber eraser into the ferrule's other end and squeezes that tight. The pencils are finally ready to roll across the grinding drum for sharpening. By the time they roll off, they're pointed perfection. This is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. And also please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more video like this. Thanks.